Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today we are doing the beadboard project and a few other projects, so I thought I would start vlogging so that, I don't know, I have an intro for all the fun projects we're gonna do. Anyways, I look really bad right now, so we're just gonna get into the project, and also sorry for the noise of my lens refocusing. Okay, hello. I've not done a very good job of vlogging today, but we have started the beadboard project. Let me turn you around so you can see. Okay, here's where we are with it. We have this piece up, ready to go. Adam needs to cut a light hole, a light switch hole, whatever, and this is our progress so far. The wall is up and now it's time for me to paint it, and Adam is in here putting up putting up shelves in his office. I was taking a time lapse, but my phone fell like 2 minutes into it, so that's fantastic. But here's the progress. Let me see. Okay, wow, I'm just gonna turn this. All right, here's what we're working with. Black is kind of tricky not to get on anything, and oddly, it's going to need a second coat, but hopefully it won't take that long. It looks like I have such a small space that I'm working with. Don't mind all my nails missing. But it seems so much bigger when I'm doing it. Anyways, working on the cutting and then the fun part. So yeah. I just finished up the final touches of paint. We are going to be doing trim, so just ignore that. My nails are completely gone now. But yeah, we finished up and now we're gonna go on a little date night for some $3 apps. So catch you guys later. Alright, and here is the finished wall. I think it looks so good. So much better than the maroon wall. Right, Adam?
Yeah, way better than that.
It's really good. Obviously, we're noticing our own mistakes, and we have a few spots we need to touch up paint. There's one up in that corner where it got nicked, and then I didn't get close enough right here. You can kind of see it. But those are easy fixes, and I'm so excited. It looks so good. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
What do you guys think? Hello and happy Sunday from my kitchen again, every Sunday. So I'm just doing some meal prep. New year, you know, starting fresh, trying. So I thought I would show you guys what I'm meal prepping, because it helped me to get inspired to meal prep again by seeing other people, what they were meal prepping and how doable it was, how much time and money it saved them. So I'll show you. Oh, this lens. So we did some sweet potato chips, and I'm kind of going with the method of just like grab and take what you want each day. I did some chicken for Adam. We have some lemon pepper and some steak seasoned chicken. Did some rice, don't mind my Charleston cheese there. Some rice, and then in the oven, move. I have some breakfast options. So we have an egg bake and some banana bread that is made with those Kodiak cake mix, and then some bananas. But yeah, that's just a good easy breakfast option so that I don't grab cereal. I am really bad at breakfast because for me, I got kind of tired of oatmeal, but I still love oatmeal. But I can't have eggs because eggs really upset my stomach. So breakfast is a little trickier for me to, you know, make sure I'm getting good proteins in. And I try not to eat too much dairy, like yogurts and stuff, because I could totally do, you know, yogurt in the morning, and I should. But I try not to eat too much dairy. So yeah, gonna do that pancake mix, which definitely has dairy in it, but you know, it's not just straight up dairy. Anyways, just thought I would share that with you guys in case you care. And here it is, all said and done. We have the banana bread, sweet potatoes, chicken, rice, and an egg bake. So yeah, that's easy meal prep, and we're just gonna have frozen veggies with different things from the freezer. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy, right, Blue? There's your dose of blue for this vlog. Hello, I'm sitting here editing this vlog, realizing I didn't end it. And I know that I didn't end it because I thought that I would be able to have our kitchen in this vlog as well, but I think that's going to be a whole separate vlog, and it's also still not done yet because shipping delays on stuff. So love it. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little beadboard accent wall DIY. It wasn't really a DIY because I didn't tell you how to do any of it, but I hope you enjoyed the satisfaction of watching it go from an ugly maroon wall to a now very sleek, cool black wall with accent. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on my bell notifications if you want to get notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be our kitchen renovation. So stay tuned because you're going to want to see it. It's going to be a major transformation. Okay, goodbye.